Today I am at the Bryant Park, which is in front of the famous Bank of America Tower. And one of the special things about this Bryant Park is that in winters they have a huge winter village to celebrate the festive season. As Halloween has already been celebrated and now it's time for Thanksgiving. So as you know that the festivities are already going on, so I am here at Bryant Park to enjoy the ice skating and the shops which are here for just the winter season. And I'm loving the atmosphere here, trust me. I loved the winter festive vibes when I visited the Bryant Park because I saw such a huge crowd, be it they were shopping, be it they were enjoying in the ice skating ring. As you can see in this pleasant video, that there is such a huge crowd in the ice skating ring and everyone is enjoying to the fullest. I think ice skating is one of the favorite pastimes in New York, or you can say in US, because there are so many ice skating rings. I saw one in Central Park, another one in front of Rockefeller Center, and this huge one in Bryant Park. So this, I think, definitely adds to the festive vibes in the complete city, and it's a wonderful thing to watch as well. And also, one special thing about this ice skating rink is that it is man-made, not natural. Down beneath the surface, they maintain the temperature of this ice rink, which is really amazing to know. And not to forget, since it's in front of Tower of Bank of America, the bank sponsors the complete winter village. Wow, amazing. One of the another magnificent buildings that you can see from Bryant Park is Empire State Building, and it's right now lighting. I think it's on some days they light it up with different colors on some particular occasion. And now let me show you the complete view of the winter village. Oh my god, I am in love with this winter village. I can come every single day just to witness this ice skating and the chirpy, vibrant people, crowded. And yes, this is the famous Bank of America Tower I was talking about. And so this was part 1 of my NYC vlogs. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified of all the vlogs that I made in New York. And keep watching. Bye bye.